Welcome to a special edition of Ask Arlington. I'm Jay Warren. During the coronavirus pandemic, we're bringing together some of our top experts to answer the questions you're asking us on social media and make sure that you have accurate and reliable information during these uncertain times. Let's get to our first question. Could you explain what social distancing means? What can I do to help decrease the spread of COVID-19?
Social distancing is extremely important in preventing the spread of the novel coronavirus. If you are an essential employee and you need to go to work, please maintain 6 feet distance from you and any coworker at all times. This will help us prevent the spread of coronavirus. We also ask that you follow these essential procedures. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home when you are sick. If you have trouble breathing or a persistent fever, call your primary care provider for instructions. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue or your sleeve. Frequently clean and disinfect touched objects and surfaces.
How is the Arlington Fire Department trained to respond to a threat we've never seen before?
Here in the Arlington Fire Department, responders have been trained in how to deal with citizens who have COVID in the field. 911 dispatchers are ready to respond to phone calls for people who believe they have COVID, and the hospitals are ready. We're working closely with the public health community, the medical community, and the hospital sector to serve our citizens in a way that they need to be served. We've seen this before. In fact, Arlington is well prepared for a pandemic. Some 10 years ago, during the H1N1 experience, we took significant steps in preparation. We've dealt with issues of public health many times over the year, from the seasonal flu to Ebola to H1N1 to Zika to West Nile virus. We're prepared and we understand how these things work. What we need is cooperation from the citizens on the issue of social distancing. You're a big part of the solution. If you adhere to the request from our community leaders, you'll make our job that much easier, and together we'll come out of this sooner than later.
Is it still safe to order delivery or pick up food from a restaurant?
Absolutely, provided that you're still practicing social distancing and not going into the dine-in area of the restaurant. There are also many restaurants that offer delivery to your door, and this is a safe option for retrieving your meal.
What can I do to support small businesses and restaurants during this local disaster declaration?
Small businesses are the backbone of our local economy, and we want to let you know about the many ways you can support them right now. Be sure to check your favorite Arlington businesses' websites and social media pages for news about online ordering, delivery, curbside pickup, drive-through, and shipping options that they may be offering to customers. And the city will continue to update the Small Business Guide and support Arlington restaurants' links at arlingtontx.gov/coronavirus. And then more information and resources will continue to become available. And then downtown Arlington, Greater Arlington Chamber of Commerce, Arlington Convention and Visitors Bureau have all joined together to post regular updates on their websites as well. Let's shop local and do everything we can to help our small businesses during this pandemic. Shop Arlington and let's stay Arlington strong.
Thank you to all of our experts, and thank you to you at home for doing everything you can to keep Arlington safe and healthy. For daily updates, the latest information on what Arlington and Tarrant County are doing to combat the spread of the coronavirus, and more information, please visit us at arlingtontx.gov/coronavirus.